Today we are starting our next skill builder. This skill builder is going to be mixing paint and color mixing. So I want you to open up your sketchbook to the planning or the skill builder section in the quarter 2 section of your sketchbook. So quarter 2, skill builder, and your sketchbook. Go to the first page and I want you to title that Tempera Paint Color Mixing. We're going to start with using Tempera paint, which are in these bottles that you have been using that are over on the counter by the sink. There are a couple of definitions that I want you to have before we get started mixing paint. So at the top of that page, kind of small, make sure to leave a lot of room at the bottom. I want you to write the word primary and colors. So primary colors are colors that cannot be made by mixing other colors. So colors that can't be made. So our primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. The second term I want you to know is secondary colors. And those are colors that are made by mixing two primary colors. And those are purple, green, and orange. And then the last term that I want you to know is complementary colors. And those are colors that are opposite on the color wheel. So if you look at the color wheel that's on the board and you look at the colors that are opposite, you'll see you have red and green, blue and orange, and purple and yellow. So make sure you have these definitions written down in your sketchbook before you get started. You might want to pause the video here to make sure that you have this information down. So we're going to jump right into color mixing. We're going to start by putting down some primary colors onto your page. So I'm going to write a P for primary and I'm going to draw two boxes. So I'm going to start with red and blue. So here's where you're going to want to pause. You're going to want to grab one piece of magazine paper out of the drawer. It's the bottom drawer by the paints on the counter. And on that magazine paper, you're going to want to put a little bit of each primary color. So I have a little bit of yellow, a little bit of red, a little bit of blue, and a little bit of white. I would rather you need to go get more than get too much and end up wasting paint. And you're also going to need a paintbrush and a cup of water. So some water and then some paper towels as well. So make sure you